Wall Street is bracing itself for a sharp sell-off today. We're looking at triple-digit losses for the Dow Industrials. President Donald Trump failed to push through a key healthcare reform bill, and his inability to deliver on a major election campaign pledge has caused a dip over prospects of U.S. fiscal spending boosts, as well as concerns about his promised tax reforms. Now, last Friday, U.S. indices closed mixed, and shares in the materials, energy, and diversified financial sectors were in the red zone. Meanwhile, shares in the consumer durables and apparel, as well as consumer services and semiconductors, as well as semiconductor equipment sectors, ended on a positive note. In terms of economic data, market U.S. manufacturing PMI fell to 53.4. As for your advancers and decliners, last Friday, 57% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower. And in after-hours trade, Schlumberger and Weatherford announced an agreement to create OneStim. Now, this will be a joint venture to deliver completions projects as well as services for the development of unconventional resource plays in the U.S. and Canada markets. Now, under the agreement, Schlumberger and Weatherford will have 70-30 ownership of the joint venture respectively, and Weatherford will also receive a one-time $535 million cash payment from Schlumberger. In terms of today's earnings, we will get results out from Red Hat. As for overseas markets, Asian markets were lower today with the Nikkei down minus 1.4%, the Hang Seng off 0.7%, and South Korea's Kospi down 0.6%. European indices are also trading lower. Here in the U.S. for the S&P 500, it is under pressure. Now, short positions are preferred below 23.43 with targets at 23.15 and 23.07 in extension. As for the Nasdaq and Dow on an intraday basis, the downside does prevail.